Hello all, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to see about how to use filter as a function. You all might be knowing how to use filter as an option, right? So I'm selecting this column headers and I'm going to data and I'm applying filter. Now this is using filter as an option. So with this one in this data set, now I can able to check how many employees are present under department, any particular department for that sake. All right. Now I'm checking out who are all the employees present under finance. I'm checking only finance so if you see totally three employees are working in finance team. All we have seen filter as an option. Now we'll see filter as an function. All right. So here I have multiple departments and let me write the names. Okay, here the requirement is whenever I choose any department, any particular department, say for example when I take sales like this, I want to list down the employees who are working under sales. So I want the list of people who are working in sales department. Say in case if I change it to IT means I want to list down the employees who are working in IT team. All right, this is the requirement. Now let's get on to this exercise and solve it using filter as a function. Okay, I'm giving filter. All right. So first is array. Array should contain the values which should be published. Now I want employee name who are working under any department. So I'm selecting this as an array. All right. Comma. Next include what I need to include in order to filter out. All right. So in this one, I'm selecting the complete values of department as include. And this should be equal to the value what I'm giving here. All right. That's all. Let me close it. See, I have mentioned IT team and these are all the employees who are working under IT team. Now let me paste sales team over here. These are all the people who are working in sales team. Now let's check for finance again. I'll paste finance. These are all the people who are working under finance team. I hope you are clear with how to use filter as a function. Now let's see how to use filter as a function for multiple criteria. I have two filter options to filter out to get the employee names as per the filter given here. All right. In short, I want to list down the names of employees who belongs to particular department based on their gender. I want to know how many male employees are working in finance team. All right. Now let me use filter option for multiple criteria. All right. I'm typing filter. As you know, array should be the value which is to be listed. All right. I'm selecting all the employee names here comma, since we are using multiple criteria, I need to open another parenthesis in order to include multiple filter values. All right. Now I'm selecting this and this array should be equivalent to the value present here as department. All right. Now I'm closing it and I'm including a star so that it will act as an AND operator between these two filters. All right. Now for gender, again I'm including this gender column. This array should match with the value what I'm giving here. All right. Now let me close it and close the entire filter option. Now let me give enter. If you see in finance team, male employees only Santosh Kumar. All right. Now let me check with others. I'll put sales. So in sales, Anthony and Yuvraj. Now I'll take IT and female. Okay. Now I'm giving IT and I'm giving female. All right. So we have four women employees working in IT department. I hope now this filter as a function is clear for you using single criteria and multiple criteria. Let's move on to the another topic, that is switch. Switch help us in order to avoid writing multiple nested if queries. All right. So I'll give you a simple condition. So here we have gender, right? So if it is male means I want to mark it as M, and if it is female employee means I need to mark it as F. All right. This is the simple condition I need to execute right now. So I'm marking gender in short here. All right. So I'm writing switch option, picking up switch. Expression is this value. All right. If this value has male, then it should be marked as M. All right. So in case if it is present as female, then it should be marked as F. That's all I need to do. I need not to write multiple nested if conditions for this. With one switch condition, I'm giving enter. See, this is male, so it is M. Now I'm just flashing it out. Now female is marked as F and male is marked as M. Alright. I hope you are clear with this function. Thank you.